Now this is the New York Central Railroad Strauss Hill Train Bascule Bridge. Crosses the Tonawanda Creek in Tonawanda, New York. And look at this. Look at the detail of it. Now this bridge here was raised once. And see, and its U is now in closed position. So I guess like it's fixed. Understand? Now I'm gonna show you this. This is my drawing of it when it was raised. You see, it raised once when it was built in, it was there like 1914, 1913. Now this bridge was once raised. And now, let's go back. You see, it's lowered. And now it's in fixed position. And it's still used for trains, but it's not operating no more. So it doesn't operate. So it's located in Tonawanda, New York.